to change the tag number. I have replaced with the IPS with MPS and intermediate pump with MPS.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can replace the pump tank number from 1101-01 to be 1011.
Okay.
Yes, take this one. Replace that. Yes.
OP
E
dash
10 11.
10 11.
Yes.
Correct.
But this is the old tag number, you know.
Yeah. So tag.
So guys, this is correct, right?
Yeah, okay.
I am replacing pump 1101-01 to pump 011, right?
Yes.
Okay. 7. Correct.
Yeah.
But you know, we have to do many things, and there are pump FCVs are there, MCVs are there. So
You
let
can
us go
change
one by one.
yeah. When we go to the sheet, you can change the tag by tag for the layer of protection.
Yes.
Hmm.
Guys, I need your help. Please let us not hurry, because ultimately you are going to suffer. So this TSDS is correct. This is okay. This pump number is okay. What is MOV number? MOV number is NMPS.
In the section, yes, in the section 1102.
1102,
Oh,
right? 1102, right?
yes.
Correct. And pump is correct.
No.
This is BPCS. This is BPCS, correct. Now I am going on the right.
Sorry, the MOV number is not correct.
You make double street dash 02. Then if you have, you can refer to the Hazub sheet. Hazub sheet, you can take the tag. You code the tags in the sheet different than the updated BID also.
How do I search? How do I search now?
Now, you can please
Search what? My goodness. MOV. There is no MOV 1111102.
IBS 7.5. IBS. Now IBS what?
No, guys. Let us not make a fast, because ultimately you will struggle. So, guys, please help me, because I don't want you to struggle after the workshop.
Okay. In the worksheet, you can search to the TSAH and go to the safeguard. And search first for this tag, yeah, in the worksheet. Maybe. I am not believe. ما تشوفش لازم ادور مزوم 100%.
This is correct. Possible closure correct. And second is MOV, this one. This is MOV, right?
Yeah, that's yes. 1025.
Let us not, create a problem.
This, yes, this MOV tag is all the tag, okay? Can 1001-05. 05. This is all the tag. FFB.
Yes, correct. This is correct.
But I think during the preparing the report itself, you can consider between brackets the new tag for every device or instruments.
No, we have to do it now, because after the workshop, probably we'll forget it, please. Let us do it now. Pump closure at pump suction. Because, I don't want you to struggle after the workshop.
No problem.
This is correct. And what is the standard number? What is standard number for IPS?
The number of PCT, serial 106-1006-03.
Dash 03.
Yeah.
03, okay. and pump number is 011. That is correct. I am happy. So PSDL. What is PSDL number?
PSDL number.